Hey guys, good morning. How are you today? So, this lady here is asking for increase of her food intake. So, it became doubled. This one did not ask but sinabay ko na lang siya dahil magkapatid sila. Tingnan natin kung ano ang development. Hindi ko sila nililimit kasi we are grooming them for sow. This is the only lady here na hindi umingi ng increase. Hinda-hinda lang ikaw, lady. Ayan, binigyan ko siya ng additional increase pero hindi niya kinain. So, I'll just take it later. Okay. The mother of all mothers, this one, nag-increase din siya ng nung before siya nanganak, it was only 1.5 kilo. So now, dinagdagan ko siya ng 1 kilo para completely ma-gain niya yung weight niya na nawala nung nanganak siya. Though she has fully recovered sa kanyang strength at sa kanyang sigla, pero yung weight niya kasi hindi pa fully recovered. So dinagdagan ko yung kanyang food intake. Hi, May! May! Additional ikaw, increase ikaw ng yung food ha, increase no? Okay. Mga biik linggit, increase din yan sila ng 0.25 kilos. Hi! Samandong. Finish your food. Sige. Tapos drink water a lot, okay? Maya, pagkatapos nyo mag-eat, ligo-ligo na tayo, okay? Sige. Saman. Bakit? Gusto niya magkisa kamera, oh. Bakit? Sweet naman ikaw. Dungis eh. Oh, si Dungis, oh. Sige, mamaya maligo tayo, okay? Opo, nandyan na. Hello, good morning, Oliver. How are you? Oliver? Umayat si Oliver. Maarte kasi to, ayaw kumain. Dinalan siya ng maraming feeds ng mga ate niya, hindi siya kumain. Gusto niya lang kung anong kinakain namin, kakainin niya, pero maliit mo siya makain. Oliver!